Metonyms. A metonym is a term used in place of a closely related term. It appears in famous literature and everyday speech. Metonyms closely resemble metaphors, but the thing being represented by a metonym will be a close match. Hence, a metonym is often an attribute of the thing it represents. In this lesson, we will look closely at the usage and examples of metonyms. Examples of metonyms. If you're looking for ways to improve your writing, incorporating figures of speech into your work can elevate your writing. Literary devices such as metonyms add symbolism or deeper meaning, drawing in readers and getting them invested in your story. Some common examples of metonyms are: tongue is a metonym for language. Sweat is a metonym for hard work. Hollywood is a metonym for the American film industry. The crown is a metonym for a member of the British royal family. Difference between metonyms and metaphors. Though many people might use metonyms subconsciously in their everyday speech, writers use it in fiction, essays, and poetry for a number of reasons. Metonyms and metaphors are similar, but they're not the same thing. Metonyms associate the qualities of one word or phrase with another word or phrase. Metaphors, however, substitute a word or phrase with another word or phrase to draw a comparison to their similarities. Metonyms also gives writers the ability to make single words or phrases more powerful. Real-life examples of metonyms. As we are now aware that metonyms closely resemble metaphors, and the thing being represented by a metonym will be a close match, let's go ahead and look at some real-life examples of metonyms. After college, he took to the bottle. The bottle is a metonym for alcohol. That fancy fish dish you made was the best of the evening. Dish is a metonym for an entire plate of food. Silicon Valley is constantly pushing the boundaries in innovation. Silicon Valley is a metonym referring to the tech industry. I couldn't understand them, they spoke in their mother tongue. Tongue is a metonym used in place of language. Thank you.